Hello, next day and next video from Fuerteventura. Today we are in Barranco de las Peñitas. This is very dry valley, full of nice palm trees, big rocks and such nice shapes. So we're gonna go to explore it, and at the end there should be like arc called Arco de las Peñitas. So we gonna try to get there. I'm gonna take my backpack and let's go. So our tour starts somewhere there and we climb up here. So it looks like, when you see those cliffs, you know, it looks like a desert, but actually it's a place full of history, you know, because a long time ago here was you can see actually, you know, it's loads of water here and it was used for farms, and like loads of palm trees was here, but now just rocks everywhere. Let's go. As you walk up the cliffs, you can pass around this chapel, Peñitas Dam. From here you can have a break a little bit. There is a book, you can sign in if you want, but I found out it's full of signatures, so there's no room where to. But it's such a nice view from here, you know, on a full that valley. Very nice, oh look, very nice bridge. Palm trees, amazing. Tourists trying to climb up. We got to this dam. Now our path is just to the top somewhere, up the hill, only up. So one fun fact about this place is that it was chosen as the film location for the marvelous movie Eternals, because of this dry, rocky the place, which looks so ancient, like in the times of Babylon. So even on the way, as you got here, you can get some information about this place. It's in Spanish, of course, English and German. And this place looks absolutely different than down there, isn't it? Looks like oasis, green, those palm trees. I like it in a valley, you know. And I thought that we need, well, this path going somewhere or nowhere. but I was thinking that we need to go around, but no, we need to go now back, and after around this hill on other side. So our Arco, I forgot the name again. Arco is on other side of this hill, so we need to go down and to the right. Anyway, nice oasis. Alright, so now we get back to our path. You can see the sign there, which is gonna bring us to the Arco de la Peñitas. So if you wanna go there, you need to go around this abandoned ruin of some kind of cottage and follow this sign, white and green. This hill, actually, to get up there, it's so steep. I didn't realize that, but at least such a nice view from here for a little break. Well, one myth says that two Franciscans, monks, and they were climbing or walking here, they appeared to them the Virgin of La Peña. So since then, many people go pilgrimage to honor her since then. But if they were climbing like this, I'm not surprised that they saw whatever. Maybe I will see also Virgin La Peña. I finally made it. Highlight of this hike, Arco de las Peñitas. This arc is made by the wind and time. It's not easy to find, like also not that hard because so many people coming here, but it's so steep, you know, and narrow, like you climbing on the stones only. But when you come here, it looks like magic. You are here. Let's come closer. Many travelers coming here to take a picture and enjoy the view. Just have a look. Isn't that imposant? Seriously, it's worth to struggle, worth to visit, come here. And look at that. Isn't that nice? It's a little bit windy here, but still amazing. That arc behind me, so now you can see it from other side. Okay, so this hike is over. I hope that you enjoyed with me and I get your like. Now I am just on a way down from the Arco on these big rocks back to the car park. Where's my car? So, and if you're interested more about videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. And see you in my next video. So far,